Imagine a world where typing was an experience, not just a task. Mechanical keyboards, once destined for obsolescence with the rise of sleek laptops, have experienced a remarkable revival among gamers and professionals alike. Users cherish the tactile feedback and the nostalgic click-clack sound, reminiscent of classic typewriters. Major brands have re-engineered their designs, incorporating RGB lighting and customizable features, ensuring they appeal to both old-school aficionados and new tech lovers. As this evolution continues, viewers are invited to ponder, will mechanical keyboards reclaim their throne in the digital age, or will they remain niche relics in our tech-filled lives?